Hello and welcome to our video on the health benefits of figs. Figs are delicious and nutritious fruit that has been enjoyed for centuries. In this video, we will explore some of the ways that figs can support your overall health and wellness. Whether you're looking to add more fruit to your diet or just want to learn more about the benefits of figs, we hope you find this video informative and helpful. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on discovering the amazing health benefits of figs. Figs, also known as Ficus carica, are a type of fruit that belongs to the genus Ficus, which is part of the mulberry family. They have sweet, soft flesh and are often eaten fresh or dried. Figs have been cultivated for thousands of years and are native to the Middle East and Western Asia. They are now grown in many parts of the world, including the Mediterranean, North Africa, and California. Figs are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help to promote digestive health and prevent constipation. They also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, potassium, and calcium. Figs have been shown to have a number of potential health benefits, including aiding in weight loss, reducing the risk of heart disease, and improving skin health. To cultivate figs, it is best to start with a fig tree that is already established. Fig trees can be grown from seeds or by propagating them from cuttings. They prefer well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter, and they need plenty of sunlight to grow and produce fruit. Figs are generally easy to grow and are relatively low maintenance, but they can be prone to pests and diseases such as fig rust and fig mosaic virus. There are over 750 species of ficus, many of which produce edible fig fruit. Some of the more common species of figs include Ficus carica. This is the most well-known species of fig and the one that is most commonly cultivated for its fruit. It is native to the Middle East and Western Asia, and it is the type of fig that is commonly found in grocery stores. The fruit of Ficus carica is oblong or pear-shaped, and it has a soft, juicy flesh with a sweet, slightly tangy flavor. Ficus racemosa. This species of fig is native to tropical regions of Asia and the Pacific Islands. It is a medium to large tree that produces small, edible figs that have a sweet, soft flesh. Ficus elastica. This species of fig, also known as the rubber fig or rubber tree, is native to tropical regions of India and Malaysia. It is a large tree that is known for its glossy, rubber-like leaves and its small, inedible figs. Ficus benjamina. This species of fig, also known as the weeping fig or Benjamin fig, is native to Southeast Asia and northern Australia. It is a popular houseplant due to its attractive, glossy leaves and its ability to thrive in a variety of indoor environments. The fruit of this species is small and inedible. Ficus microcarpa. This species of fig, also known as the Chinese banyan or ginseng fig, is native to Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands. It is a large tree that produces small, edible figs with a sweet, soft flesh. Figs have a long and interesting history. They have been mentioned in the Bible as well as the Quran and were a popular food in ancient Rome and Greece. Figs were also grown and eaten by the ancient Egyptians, who believed that they had medicinal properties. In fact, figs have been used for their medicinal properties for centuries, and they are still used in traditional medicine. In many parts of the world, figs are used as the primary ingredient in many culinary dishes. Examples of dishes where a fig is used as the main ingredient include fig and goat cheese tart, grilled fig and prosciutto salad, fig and blue cheese pizza, fig and balsamic chicken, fig and almond butter smoothie bowl, fig and honey yogurt parfait, fig and arugula salad with lemon vinaigrette. These are just a few examples, and you can use figs in sweet or savory dishes, depending on your preference. You can also use them in baked goods like cakes, cookies, and breads, or add them to oatmeal or yogurt for a nutritious breakfast. Figs have a number of uses beyond just being eaten fresh or dried. They can be used to make jams, jellies, and preserves, and they can also be used in baking. Figs are often used in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine, and they are a common ingredient in dishes such as fig jam and fig cakes. Figs are generally considered safe to eat and are not known to have any significant side effects. Some people may be allergic to figs, but this is rare. Symptoms of a fig allergy may include skin rash, hives, itching, and swelling. If you are allergic to other fruits in the mulberry family, such as oaks and elms, you may be more likely to be allergic to figs. If you experience any allergic reactions after eating figs, it is important to seek medical attention. It is also important to note that figs are high in natural sugars, so consuming large amounts of figs may contribute to tooth decay and weight gain. As with any food, it is important to eat figs in moderation as part of a balanced diet. In conclusion, figs are a tasty and nutritious fruit that have been cultivated for thousands of years. They have a number of potential health benefits and can be eaten fresh, dried, or used in cooking. While they do have the potential for side effects, figs can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your viewership and look forward to connecting with you in the future. Thanks again and have a great day.